I'm Dacia Posner, the ATHE Vice President for Awards, and it is my great pleasure to present the Ellen Stewart Career Achievement in Professional Theater Award, one of ATHE's two most prestigious awards, named in honor of Ellen Stewart's profound legacy to the profession and the Academy. Honorees are selected on the basis of superlative contributions, sustained excellence, innovative work that has established new frames of reference, support for diversity, and service and advocacy on behalf of fellow theater artists. This year's recipient of the Ellen Stewart Career Achievement in Professional Theater Award is Tome Cousin. Tome Cousin is an interdisciplinary artist with a distinguished, innovative, international career in the arts that includes collaborations in dance, theater, music, film, photography, television, and literature. He began his career as a performer and dancer. His several Broadway credits include his much-loved role in the original cast of the Susan Strawman and John Wyman musical Contact, and as a featured vocalist in the 20th anniversary Dreamgirls concert and CD recording. He also originated the role of Monsieur Chocolat in Belle Epoque, written by Charles Mee and directed and choreographed by Martha Clark. His many dance credits include the Physical Theater Project, of which he was co-founder and artistic director, Pina Bausch's Tanztheater Wuppertal, Bill T. Jones and Arnie Zane Company in collaboration with graffiti artist Keith Haring, Ballet Bern, and the American Dance Ensemble. Cousin is also an author and activist, particularly in the area of diversity, equity, and inclusion. He is author of The Total Theater Artist and New Media Performance and The Franklin Project, interviews, essays, and articles on diversity and non-traditional casting for theater performance. Cousin has taught all levels of contemporary dance and theater during a teaching career spanning more than 3 decades. He has been a valued faculty member at the Carnegie Mellon School of Drama since 2011, where he serves as mentor for hundreds of emerging performers, choreographers, and directors. In the words of one of his nominators, Tomé is amazingly creative and inspiring in the work he does with his students. The artistry he brings out of them, the bravery that they access through Tomé's guidance is remarkable. He is the embodiment of the spirit that all artists strive to be. He serves particularly as a role model for young African-American performers, having nurtured the careers of several young Black artists and helped them find additional opportunities well into the early stages of their careers. One of his colleagues put it best: Tome Cousin is a role model for all artists of all levels. He lives his art. He lives his beliefs. He lives to serve both his craft and his colleagues. I can think of no more deserving a candidate for the ATHE Ellen Stewart Career Achievement Award than Tome Cousin. Congratulations, Tome.
Thank you, Dacia, and everyone, ATHE, and all the members who suggested me for this prestigious award and honor. To be mentioned in the same conversation with the legendary Ellen Stewart is quite surreal to me. Her shining example is something I still aspire for, but I do share a few of her ideals on what equity, diversity, and forward thinking in arts education can be and what it can do. In receiving the 2020 ATHE Ellen Stewart Career Achievement Award, there are so many memories, projects, situations, people, artists, students that I feel I have to thank. If I were to leave out a single one of them, I would be remiss. I would not be able to continue. I'm so grateful. So instead, I'm going to accept this award in Ellen's memory with a renewed commitment to the performing arts and arts education. Thank you.